the screen. This 7'1" Wemby build. I told y'all the build was elite. People be looking at my stats, not realizing it's the player. Your play style. I told y'all the 99 block is the god tier stat on the build. People won't understand. It's coming soon though. Drop a like. I'm about to start flooding y'all with the content. Look how I'm moving on Wemby. Dribble. I've been in a hyperbolic time chamber. Two-way tenacity. I'm getting close to the little Gatorade thing. We locking in. Peaks. Nah, not the nigga that be eating the food. We shooting peaks. Look how I'm. Look at what I'm doing. Wemby, the 7 foot. I'm so on the big builds. I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling this 2K. Look at this. And people, this is me just using X right now. I became a weird different player. I'm using rhythm and X at the same time now. It's time to show y'all the eliteness, the high skill. Only 3 crew members. Tis. They said they was gonna join IRL, OG. Nah, they not ready. Look how you moving, OG. They not ready to join IRL yet. They not ready to move like you yet. They not ready to adapt to the IQ yet. Just winning with randoms, repping up. Wemby, I had to put on the ghost suit to really show. Look at this. Snatch. Shock. Simple. Look at all the shots we shoot. Pure. And I like that my shooting percentage shows like 48. And nah, I hate when the rhythm shooting thing doesn't register. That's my only problem sometimes. Now sometimes I may think that's the controller, so I am working on some different controllers to see if it just ups the percentages for me. But look at this, people. Yeah, OG has transitioned. I use both now. You will see me use both rhythm shooter and X, because sometimes X just feels right to shoot with, and then sometimes the stick just feels right to shoot with. I don't know what 2K's doing to me, but they're doing it to me. And I've been seeing how sometimes when I'm stuck in a certain animation, it just makes sense just to flick the stick up and down and I just shoot my shot. It's kind of weird. It's kind of arcade-ish, but you know, it's like when you like the real joysticks at the arcade, like you flick it up and down. It's really like that, you know. I just see people make shots more consistent. I don't know what the full details are yet, but I'm figuring it out, and I'm gonna break it down more to you guys. But I'm using both. Look at this right here. You see we do it. Bang bang. 7'1" Wemby. Yeah. Really, and watch y'all really gonna see me playing like Wemby. I'm really a dribble god. Like, I really turned myself into a dribble god. Look at this. This is just with X. We switch it up, people. We switch it up. It's right times when to use the rhythm. It's right times when not to. Look, right here I got get off me. Look at those ankles. Oh yeah. I'm back. I'm back. They brought me back just to be able to get in that little flow state, cook, do different moves, uniqueness, just come down. And I'm working on that bag. It's not like it's a dribble god mixed in with the OG bag. I know I don't overspam. I just make it right. Just the right time and the right fit. But stick around, people. I'm about to give y'all the SIGs, everything to the build. Look at this, man. 2020. That 99 block is really, yeah, it does a lot. Gets me my takeover fast. It does a lot. It scares a lot of people. Trust me. I know what I did with this build. Look at this. Whoa. The movement, the jump shot. Stick around. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Man, hold on. Look at this. Whoa. He's already on the cold ring, OG. Man. Wembenyama. Sheesh. See, my shooting percentage may look low, but when people play against it, they see. I just play with a lot of randoms, play a lot of games solo. Look at that, breaking his ankles. He had to flex. Like, yeah, you got me, bro. Wembenyama. Like, man, I'm just cooking. Look at this. Oh, that movement. Freaky quick stop. What is he doing with that fade? Not it, sir. Come on. We get up the court fast and big greens. Can this man guard me? I'm not sure. Whoa. Hold on. Whoa, again. Wembenyama. Hold on, look at this. Whoa. Got them bumping into each other. Hold on. Hold on, we can't do too much. This is Wemby. Hold on. Don't spam too much. See, we can't. Once we do too much, we just got to give it up. So here we have it on the screen. Let's get into these SIGs. You see it. Victor Wemby. This is where I have him at. So there was a lot of people that was talking trash about the build. Well, I always say that there was a lot of people there. No, there wasn't. It was, when I say that, there was just a few. You know, I'm surprised people say anything about my builds at all. The way I make them, the way I craft them, and the skill set strategy that I give. Now look, first off, the vertical, you seen where we was capped out at, right? A 77. But now we at an 81, and that makes a super difference. We got a few badges, pole stick, unlocks a few things. You see our strength. We are at our max on our strength, okay? You look at our cab breakers, we're at our max. Because why did we go to the max? So we can have this speed, okay? I'm gonna put that +2 when I get a cab breaker on that speed. And it just helps us get around the court better. Because what else did we go? I'm gonna put another cab breaker on that perimeter defense. Because when I run the perimeter defense takeover, I at least can get up to near like a 75 plus higher perimeter deep, and that makes it a big difference on a 7'1". You're way faster around the perimeter, contest, and even run into do a chase down block with my 99 block stat, which I feel like is one of the best elite defensive stats in the game. All right, you guys see where else I had put my cab breakers at. I already got the shooting build specialist, so all this is going to go up to make our shooting a little bit better. Told you I'm going to touch this post control up just so we can get some nice post control stuff. Even this drive and layup is looking pretty decent to throw some cab breakers on it. Right, so let's get into the best things, you know, where people want to see the SIGs to show you guys, you know, how we just go crazy. So to do a little nice flashy SIG, that go-to shot, DeAndre Ayton. Dribble pull up, normal. Spin jumper, normal. Okay? Normal, you get that nice, tight, snap spin jumper. Hop jumper, we got Dirk on this. On Wemby, right? Dunk style, we just have it on Sabonis for now. Of course, we're going to change it. Find some new ones. Layup, regular. Default big. On all because we don't have anything really. The post go-to shot is Kobe Bryant. The motion style I'm using is Paul Reed. I don't know why, but we just rocking Paul Reed. It feels good. I know some people use the 2K Lab stuff, but Paul Reed feels good. Now let's get on to the dribble moves. Paolo Banchero for the dribble style. Paolo Banchero got this nice little crossover that I like within the dribble style. It feels good, right? Pro, right? Signature size, that boom, 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 boom. Y'all know that, boom, boom, boom. That looks good. Pro again. Yeah. That's that. Real combos. Kevin Durant for the escape. Best escape for the bigs. KD. I don't know what people be talking about, but KD is the best. Normal combo, right? Pro is the behind the back one. Normal is the in front of your face one. We run that one on Wendy. Basic crossover. I like basic, just got that. Yes, sir. Normal. Right? Normal gives you this behind the back, you know. That one is a clean one. Spin Anthony Davis. Hesitation Pro. Step back Joel Embiid. A lot of people like using Giannis. I like Joel Embiid. I feel like this snatch back, this first one right there, super fire. Even that one is tough too when you do that one, because you could do like another little snatch even out of it, right? Fire. Don't sleep on that Embiid. Step back, triple threat, regular, nothing else is touched, right? So that's the build, people. That's what I'm rocking with right now. Let me show you guys the badges that we have, how I have my elevators. So you see, this is going to be even higher, right? Once we max out all of our stats and stuff in with the extrovert cap. This is going to even be, once we get the shooting, like, yeah, we're about to be a monster, people. Once we get these two from the crew, we're going to be very, very tough. Alright, there's still some stuff I don't have yet, but we grind it. We grind it, don't worry. We're going to unlock it, we're going to have it very, very soon. Some people had their head starts, but it's coming for us, right? But this is the build. Super fire, people. We don't even have our Paint Patroller Hall of Fame yet. And the blocks feel so good. I can't imagine just how the 99 going to feel just, with my type of defensive IQ. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Hit that like, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.